Hey y'all, welcome back. We are gonna be showing you how to make one of our favorite holiday recipes. Now at the cafe, we make this syrup and we put it in our brown sugar rosemary latte, but I wanna walk you through not only how to make the syrup, but also some fun ways to utilize this at home. Now the first thing I wanna do is turn my oven on. I get it to about a medium-high heat. I'm gonna add 2 cups of water for this batch size. To that, I want to add about 1 to 1.5 cups of brown sugar. Now, depending on how much you like that flavor of molasses, you could add light brown sugar, dark brown sugar, whatever you really like. You can make it your own. I'm going to take this and just dissolve it for a little bit as this heats up. Now, in the namesake, of course, we have rosemary. So for the rosemary, for this size batch, you really don't need a lot unless you really want to bring out and make it just rosemary dominant in flavor. I only want to use about a 6-inch sprig of rosemary, and I'm going to throw that in just now. And I'm going to let that just start to cook in this mixture. All right. Now to make sure those flavors really come out and they're nice and separated, I want to add a little bit of salt, just about an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And to round out the overall flavor profile, a little bit of vanilla. Again, about an 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract here is all you need. And that goes right in. Now this is gonna come up to a boil. And then I wanna take that heat, lower it to a simmer, and let this simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. After that's done, I'll turn off the heat, take the rosemary out, and I'll let this mixture cool off before I go ahead and bottle it or throw it into any container you would like and then throw it in the refrigerator. Once your syrup's ready, please give it about 24 hours. With any of these simple syrups, the flavors really come through after about that 24-hour mark in the refrigerator. Once it's ready, you have it stored, you're ready to use, there's a couple things that you can do. One of my favorite things to do is to make an old-fashioned. Instead of using a classic simple syrup, I will throw this syrup in there instead. The flavor of the rosemary with your favorite whiskey makes for a really nice holiday drink to go home and relax to. On top of that, you can also use this in some of your favorite recipes. One of the things I like to do is take my roasted sweet potatoes, yams, carrots, whatever you like. And then I will cook this down a little bit further and turn it into a glaze. I'll just throw this onto my sweet potatoes as they're roasting, onto my carrots, and let it cook down further. It will turn into a really flavorful addition to your favorite holiday vegetables. I appreciate you stopping by and learning a little bit about how we make our brown sugar rosemary syrup. Thank you for coming, and we'll be back with some more fun recipes to show you in the future.